Hey everyone, thanks in advance for watching. Today I'm going to show you a neat little trick. Let's say you want to add an icon inside a text element for a cleaner user interface. So this icon here, you want to put inside here. What can you do? Well, you could try to add an icon and a text element right next to each other, but you'll find out very quickly that this isn't the best way of handling it. It gets pretty crazy when trying to center it on a page, especially in responsive settings. Anyways, this is one way you can do this. Take a look. Just add in this text element, I'm going to add this piece of text. And voila! Awesome. Makes things look a lot better, right? If you want to see where you find out this code from, just look here. It's right up here. Alright, there's your No Code Minute for today. See you next time.